exhausted and tired to remove your makeup and washing your face before bed? We all know that a good skin starts with a thorough cleanse. But sometimes, no matter how much you scrub and lather up, it doesn't seem like you can get all the makeup off your face. So you're just opening up your skin to more breakouts, irritations, and premature aging. So, despite this extra step, you need to get yourself a good makeup remover. Newton's Cleansing Oil goes deep to dissolve waterproof makeup, pore-clogging impurities, and removes dirt and oil instantly. The Biore Cleansing Oil is gentle and mild on the skin. It effectively removes long-lasting makeup and also waterproof makeup without clogging the pores. Hada Level Cleansing Oil deep cleanses and removes dirt and oil instantly. It is water-soluble, so it does not leave an unpleasant greasy feeling. Mamon Cleansing Oil formulated with mild natural oils to deeply cleanse away everything from fine dust to heavy makeup. When it comes to removing eye makeup, the slower you go, the better. Apply your makeup remover and let it sit for a couple of minutes, so this will help soften the mascara, liners, and shadows so that it will slip off easily when you finally wipe. So the next day you wake up, say goodbye to your smudge eyes and cat eyes. Thanks for staying for my cleanser wardrobe. Bye!